XTLtouch is an enhanced all-in-one security system offering flexible features and functionality. The XTLtouch allows you to deploy a system faster than ever before. The XTLtouch can be installed in one of two ways: wall mount or desk stand. To mount the XTLtouch to the wall, remove the backplate from the XTLtouch. Use the level and the included screws to mount the backplate to the wall. When wall mounting, use the transformer and onboard terminals to power the XTLtouch. Snap the XTLtouch onto the mounting plate and secure it with the included set screw. To install the XTLtouch on a desk or counter, snap the included legs onto the back of the XTLtouch. Power the XTLtouch via the micro USB port on the back. Plug the micro USB end of the cable into the port on the back of the XTLtouch. Insert the cable into the strain relief to secure the cable. Plug the other end of the cable into the USB transformer and the transformer into the wall. The XTLtouch is now ready to be programmed and customized. For more information on the XTLtouch or to watch more videos like this, visit dmp.com.